These 7 principles, ìwà, òye, àgbọ́yé, ọgbọ́n, ìṣera ẹni, ìmọ̀, and ìgbàgbọ́ are your roadmap. They are a guide for a life of purpose and peace. When you practice them, you activate your àṣẹ. You get a better life. So I encourage you to pick one principle to focus on this week. Work on it. See how it changes your life. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. So, in my next video, I will explore the forces of darkness and light and how to navigate them. We will talk about Ajogun and Irumole. Until then, live a life of good character and purpose.